You need content in your website. What does that mean? It means stuff, and by that I mean text. Sure, you can have images and video and animations and all sorts of other things, but from an SEO standpoint, at the end of the day, you need textual content, as I'll explain. So in this part of the course, we're going to look at the issue of how to get text into your site. I know many of you have heard the phrase content is king. Well, I'm going to explain why that phrase is completely misleading. It's just not true. But I'm also going to explain why you still do need quality content and discuss a few different places you might find it and different ways you might create it. The good news is you may already have enough content. If you spent much time in SEO circles, you may have heard that your site must be an authority site in order to compete in the search engines. But not every website has to be or even can be an authority on a subject with world-class information. Continue to the lessons and I'll explain why.